students, in this video we are going to discuss some more problems on length of the tangents. It's a very important 4 marks for your IP examination, so be careful to listen. Okay, so what is the problems? See students, if a point P is moving such that the length of tangents drawn from P, if a point P is moving such that the lengths of tangents from P to the circles, let it be P to the circles, this is S equal to 0 and S dash equal to 0. So the length of the tangents T1 and T2. PT1 is length of the tangent from P to the circle S equal to 0, and length of the tangent PT2 is the circle from S dash equal to 0. So what is the ratio? 2:3 ratio. Okay. So let us see how to solve it. It's very important for 4 marks question. So what are the, let P x1 y1 be any point on the locus. Be any point on the locus. Clear? Be any point on the locus. So what are the circle equations? Given circles are x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0, and s dash is x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equal to 0. Let it be second circle equation number 2. So what it has given that the ratio from point P to the circle S, point P to the circle S dash is in the ratio 2:3. That means the length of the tangents, the length of the ratio of the length of the tangents, right? PT1 and PT2 be the lengths of the tangents, the lengths of the tangents. So given that the ratio is 2:3. Ratio is 2:3. See, given that the ratio is 2:3. Now we have to find the locus of P. See, PT1 is to PT2 means PT1 upon PT2 is equal to 2/3. That means by cross multiplications 3 PT1 is equal to 2 into PT. Now squaring on both sides we get 9 PT1 square is equal to 4 PT2 square. 9 PT1 square equal to 4 PT2 square. So what is length of the tangent? Root S11. So that means 9 into root S11 whole square is equal to 4 into root S dash 11 whole square. S dash means second circle. S dash 11 whole square. Root S11 whole square is equal to root S dash 11 whole square. Okay? Square and root get cancelled. So that means 9 into S11 is equal to 4 into S dash 11. So 9 into what is first circle? X1 square y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12. So which is equal to 4 into, so S dash is x1 square plus y1 square plus 6x1 minus plus 18y1 plus 26. Okay, plus 26. So this is S and this is S dash. Okay, so this is how we have to find the lengths of the tangents. The ratio of length of the tangents are given PT1 and PT2. 2:3 ratio. So PT1 is to PT2 is 2:3. This is the we have to solve the equation. Now we have to equate these two, then we will get the equation of the locus of P. So see how to solve. So by simplifying it, 8x, 9x1 square, 9y1 square, 36x1, 54y1 minus 108, which is equal to what we get? 4x1 square, 4y1 square, 24x1, 72y1 plus, okay, see students, 26 into 4 is 104. Now equating 9x1 square plus 9y1 square minus 36y1 minus 54y1 minus 108. These right hand side values comes to the left hand side, we get minus 4x1 square minus 4y1 square minus 24x1 minus 72y1 minus 104 equal to 0. See, 9x1 square minus 4x1 square is 5x1 square. 9y1 square minus 4y1 square is 5y1 square. Minus 36x1 minus 24x1 is minus 60x1. Minus 54 minus 72y1 is minus 126y1. Minus 108 minus 104 is 212. So therefore the locus of P is 5 into, take 5 as common, 5 into x square plus y square minus 60x minus 121 minus 212 equal to 0. So this is how we have to solve the equation of the locus of P. Okay. Okay. See students, like the previous problem, if a point P is moving such that the length of the tangents drawn from P to the circles S is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0, and S dash is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 8y plus 1 equal to 0, or in the ratio 2:1 in previous problem, or in the ratio 2:3. Here the ratio 2:1. The ratio 2:1. Then we have to find the locus of P. Okay, the equation of the locus of P. So same likewise, like the previous problem, PT1 is to PT2 is 2:1 ratio. By cross multiplication we get PT1 equal to 2 into PT2. By squaring on both sides, PT1 square equal to 2 square is 4, PT2 square. So square and root get cancelled, S11 is 4 into S dash 11. So see how to write it. You see, S11 means x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 plus 4y1 minus 20 is equal to 4 into S dash 11, x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 minus 8y1 plus 1. Okay, so that implies x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 plus 4y1 minus 20 is equal to, multiply by 4x1 square plus 4y1 square minus 8x1 minus 32y1 plus 4. Okay, so that implies 4x1 square minus x1 square is 3x1 square, 4y1 square minus y1 square is 3y1 square, minus 8x1 plus 2y is minus 6x1, minus 32y1 minus 4y1 minus 36y1, 4 plus 24 equal to 0. Dividing by 3 we get x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 minus 12y1 plus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the locus of P is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 12y plus 8 equal to 0. This is the required locus equation. Okay. Similarly, you have another problem. Just I have to give you the question only. You have to solve it. Okay. See students, if a point P is moving such that the lengths of the tangents drawn from P to the circles x square plus y square plus Okay, see students, in this question, what he has given that the point P moving such that the lengths of the tangents drawn from P to the circles are equal, the ratio equal. So that means from point P both having same length. From point P are in ratio 1:1, are in the ratio 1:1. So that means PT1 is equal to PT2. PT1 is equal to PT2. So root S11 is equal to root S dash 11. So squaring on both sides, we get S11 is equal to S dash 11. So S11 is x1 square plus y1 square plus 8x1 plus 12y1 plus 15 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 8y1 minus 12. So x1 square y1 square and x1 square y1 square get cancelled. What we get? 8 plus 4 is 12x1, 12 plus 6 is 18y1, 15 plus 27 equal to 0. Dividing it by 3, we get 4x1 plus 6y1 plus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, the locus of P is 4x plus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. 4x plus 6y plus 9 equal to. Okay, understand? I hope you understand very well of this concept. Position of a point, power of a point, and length of the tangents. So this is the concept of position, power, and length of the tangents. Okay, thank you. We will going to discuss the another concept in this circuits in further videos. Okay, thank you.